Are you ready? It is Mystery Box, Halloween Mystery Box 2024 reveal time here with Adventurous Stampin' Judy Allen. So you'll get to see what is in the box because that's what's always so fun, right? Is to have something projects, but have some fun, have some mystery. So let's go down in the hands so you can see what was in the mystery box this time, right? So this is a spoiler alert. If you have not opened yours up yet, this is what it's going to look like. This is what's on the inside. So, inside the box has Potions and Spells stamp set. We also have some coordinating, right? Some beautiful coordinating. This is the transparent adhesive back dots that are in here, as well as some black dimensionals, which goes very good with this time of the year. In addition to this, we got a make and take kit that we made for a pillow gift. You've got a notepad in here with a little, this on the inside, yeah. And then we also have a pen here that we put together for you. We have 4 3D projects. We have 4 cards. And we threw this in here because it's just cute and fun, right? And then we also put in here some bubbles. Oh yeah. And then we also have here some candy. We also have one here and we have some here. Actually, have 2 different colors. There's strawberry as well as grape. And then we have this cute little pail here with goodies on the inside. And we have some more goodies, right? So that's what the mystery box is out about. 8 projects, right? 4 3D projects. 4, right? 3D here. And then we have 4 card projects here for a total 8 cards. Potions and Spell stamp set, bling, like dimensionals, gift, and we got goodies in here too. So I hope you enjoyed, right? We got to make sure it's there. Let me show you the cover. I don't know if I can mess this up without doing the cover. Anyway, the cover's got the mystery box that you saw in there. So yeah, so actually by the time I lay these all down, because I had to pack these all up and send them, right? So you had the choice of either picking it up or mailing. And it doesn't matter, right? Because you still got to pack and close the boxes. It's a mystery, right? And we also wrapped it with some mesh silver ribbon. Way too cool. So there you go. That is what's in the mystery box. When we do mystery boxes, we make sure we have projects. You get good, right? You get Stampin' Up goodies, and you get surprise goodies too. Some are edible and some are not. So I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to leave feedback because we always like feedback to sit there and get ready for the next mystery box, right? So be blessed. Have an amazing week and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.